Finally, 3KS family is back with another video to continue the Phuket city tour. It's been a long time since we last uploaded any video from the Thailand series. तो इस वीडियो को शुरू करने से पहले हम छोटा सा रिकैप देख लेते हैं, just to refresh our memories. तो गाइस, इस वक्त हम अपने आज के सिटी टूर में पहले स्टॉप पर आए हैं। ये है कैरन व्यू पॉइंट। दिस इज़ द कैरन व्यू पॉइंट। इट लुक्स लाइक दिस फ्रॉम हियर। हाउ मच डू यू चार्ज टू टेक अ फोटो विद दिस? ओके गाइस, अभी हम अपने नेक्स्ट स्टॉप पर आए हैं। दिस इज़ कॉल्ड सी व्यू एलिफेंट कैंप। सो देयर आर अ फ्यू एलिफेंट्स, वी कैन टेक पिक्चर्स विद देम। I will have to climb the stairs to get to the top of this big Buddha. Guys, now we are going up towards the big Buddha. We took the stairs and behind us there is a beautiful view. I guess it is the entire Phuket island. Guys, we have with us Miss Lama. She is from Canada and she was the photographer for us today. Yes. Say hi Lama to the
Hello everybody. Because of me, he's gonna be famous.
Thank you very much, Lama. Thank you very much.
Yeah, he's cutting me off right now.
No.
I see that.
It's covering you.
Quickly, 2-second history about Buddha.
Okay.
Okay. So Buddha actually was a Indian prince called Gautam. I don't remember the last name, but he looked at the sufferings of humanity and he went down, sat under a tree and meditated for a good number of years.
Okay.
And then he achieved nirvana. And then he came up with Buddhism and all its principles, and that's the symbols of what you see all around you.
Thank you, Mashood, for this description.
One of the world's major religions, originated in India and spread over all of East Asia.
Guys, please Google this description and
check if I'm accurate or not.
Please verify this description that is given, because previously he did not stand up to his words. You can see behind me the big Buddha, and there were a few more statues that we couldn't cover because we don't have time, and our tour guide is calling us downstairs, so I'll have to rush down. Now we are on our next stop. This is the Shalong temple. As you can see behind me, the temple. Wat Shalong is one of the largest and most beautiful temple in Phuket. Formerly known as Wat Chayatraram and located in the Shalong area. It has great architecture and receives many tourists every day. And the best thing, there is no entry fees for this temple. Inside the temple, you feel peace. And seeing yourself surrounded by the Buddha is an unforgettable experience. Okay guys, this is a beautiful temple. If you're coming to Phuket, you must come to this temple. Its name is Shalong Temple. And I'm on the top of this temple at the terrace. As you can see behind me, there is a beautiful view of this entire place. I'll just take a round across this temple. The other side, there are small other temples as well. So we can see it from the terrace from the other side. So I'll go that side to show you guys that view as well. If you like this place, please like our video and comment below if you have any suggestions about this place. Now our time here is over. Our guide is calling us back. The time that he had given us is finished, so I will wear my shoes and we'll go to our next place on this city tour. Guys, our next stop is at the cashew nut factory. We'll go inside and have a look at how the cashew nuts are produced. Selling cashew nuts here as well with different flavors. This is wasabi flavor, and this one here tastes amazing. It's a barbecue flavor, cream onion flavor, and nori flavor. This is the machine where they pack cashew nuts into small packets. Entire market outside where they sell only cashew nuts. Guys, our next stop on the city tour is a visit at the Big Bee Farm. We'll go inside and see how the honey is produced here. Guys, if you want, you can hold this as well, but you have to be very gentle so that this does not fall down.
Watch it, huh? They'll bite you.
These are honey crackers, huh?
Sorry, 8. Honey crackers. दो मिल जाएंगे आपको. What? This is honey ice cream?
Reusable spoon.
No, not this one.
Okay.
This different taste, huh? Yellow, durian, white.
Oh, durian is that
This looks second-hand.
dodgy fruit.
I was kidding.
One piece, one piece.
It's nice.
No, this is not crispy.
These are honey.
It's a bit crispy.
No, it's not.
This is crispy.
This is not crispy?
This is nice.
Only one.
Only one. Rest you pay.
It's plantain.
This is tamarind, huh? Made with honey. This is very nice. This is a shop where they sell honey. If you want, you can purchase from them here.
Probiotics we collect raising from tree and they use to protect the hive from infection. This is a natural antibiotic, antibacterial, antivirus, no side effect. This can help to improve blood circulation to lower the risk for getting heart attack and stroke. When blood circulation is good, it can help to strengthen our immune system so that we won't get sick so easily.
For a coffee break where they are giving us some coupons, and this shows that we have one free hot black coffee. This is the Wangtalang Gems International. You can see it behind me. Okay. Inside photos are not allowed, so I'll have to close it here. Guys, this was not a place for free coffee. This was a trap inside.
It was a coffee. He lies.
Actually, they gave us one soft drink of your choice, or you can take a coffee, but it was a trap. Okay, you go inside, and it's a big shopping mall inside, and you will find lots of stuff here, lots of products made with leather or gemstones, and with highly inflated prices. So I would not prefer you guys to come here. This place is called Wangtalang Gems International. So I guess now we are going to our next station. That's going to be the Tiger Show. Okay guys, अभी हम लोग टाइगर किंगडम में पहुंच चुके हैं, जहाँ पर अभी हम जाकर पिक्चर्स लेंगे टाइगर के साथ। आपने अगर मीडियम या स्मॉल लेना है तो वो इसी पैकेज में इंक्लूडेड है। अगर आप बिग टाइगर के साथ पिक्चर लेना चाहते हैं तो उसके लिए 100 बात एक्स्ट्रा पे करने पड़ेंगे। तो वी आर गोइंग नाउ इनसाइड टुवर्ड्स द टाइगर किंगडम। See guys, this is their timing. They work from morning 9 AM to 5:30 PM. You can buy tiger souvenirs also from this site, from this place. Okay guys, now we'll go towards the tigers. We three are going to gather inside. This was including in our package. We took this package for 1000 baht, and all that you've seen here was included in this trip. So if you guys are coming individually on your own, so you will have to pay 900 baht for small or medium tiger, and for the big tiger you will have to pay 1000 baht. And if someone wants them to take pictures for you, they will charge 500 dirhams separate for that. So 500 bahts separate for that. So this is it. Now we are in our queue. We are waiting to go inside. अभी हम लोग टाइगर किंगडम में एंटर हो गए, and now we are moving towards the tigers.
We go to that first?
I won't be waiting. They go smaller.
This is for big tiger. They've marked on top. This is for the big tiger, and then comes the small tiger. This side is also for the big tiger.
Raju.
These are the small tigers inside. You can see inside. People are playing around with them. And then comes the medium tiger. So this is the medium tiger place. We have come inside. Then we'll go inside the cage to take picture with them. Read this big carefully. We cannot touch the head, front face or the front paws. We can just touch the tummy, tail and back paws only.
So right now you have to wait for the trainer about 10 minutes and we have one group before.
गाइस अभी हमारी टर्न आ गई है और हम टाइगर की तरफ जाने लगे हैं अभी.
Sorry, follow me.
टाइगर किंगडम का भी विज़िट हो गया. जैसे कि आप देख सकते हैं कि हमने इसके साथ अच्छी वीडियोस बनाई और कुछ फ़ोटोज़ भी क्लिक की. इट वाज अ गुड एक्सपीरियंस बट अ स्केरी वन. आई वाज अ बिट स्केर्ड ऑफ द टाइगर. ऑब्वियसली इट्स अ बिग ह्यूज टाइगर. कैन फिनिश मी इन अ सेकेंड. सो thank you very much if you were with me throughout this tour. I think this was the last point of our day trip here in Phuket. So please like, comment and share this video. And if you haven't subscribed yet, do subscribe to our channel.